Hi! Welcome to the Mindful Crochet series where we'll be making 50 granny squares, and with every piece, sasagutin natin ng one question from my comfort cards. Ayan. So anyway, sa buong series, I'll be using this hook from Tulip. So gagamitin natin itong 3.5 mm na hook. Yes, and today is Asian square. Ayan. Medyo mahirap pala siya. I already made one. Kung nakikita nyo dun sa background, yun siya. So, gagawa ulit tayo ng isa. But before that, kuha muna tayo ng question. And the question is, what standards do you have when it comes to people? Well, ano nga ba ang standard natin when it comes to sa mga tao na nakikita natin? And anyways, it's okay to have standards. Walang problema dyan. So, pag ako, honestly, wala naman talaga akong strict checklist or let's say strict na standards when it comes to people. I know a lot of people. I was super extrovert before, but now medyo introvert yung lola nyo. But, friends for keeps, depende talaga kung bakit sila naging part ng life ko. Maybe pwede natin sabihin it's the Aries in me. I like people na medyo loud because I'm loud. Kaya yung energy saka yung trip ko kasi sometimes yung energy and yung trip ko OA din as a fire sign, diba? But of course, I still have my soft side. Ayan siya. So may mga moments na gusto ko lang mag-vent. Tapos minsan yung advice nila parang medyo risky, but that's the way I like it. Or diba? So anyways, at the end of the day, simple lang naman yung standards ko. Basta ka-vibes ko. Kaya akong sabayan sa saya, sa lungkot, and of course marunong makinig when it's time na makinig naman, hindi puro enjoy life lang. And of course, ang pinaka-importante is ayoko sa pikon. Life is already heavy, wag na tayong dumagdag. Ayan, so going back to the question. Kayo, ano yung standard nyo when it comes to people? Like, standard nyo just pag nakikita nyo na gusto nyong kausapin, or yung standard nyo na gusto nyo na silang maging friends? And also, hanggang saan yung boundaries nyo? Kasi all of us naman, na gusto natin na lahat naman ng tao gusto natin eh. Pero ano yung boundaries nyo na you think na, ito pang pakilala lang, acquaintance lang. Ito for friends for keeps. Maganda. So, share nyo naman yung mga answers nyo sa comments. And hindi nyo naman kailangan madalain. Pwedeng pag-isipan nyo muna, then balikan nyo kung ano yung sagot nyo, diba? So, ito yung mga tanong na hindi naman minamadali. Minsan kailangan pag-isipan, or it will make you think, ano nga ba? So yan, share your comments below, and malay nyo, may magustuhan akong comment, diba? So, anyways, that's all for me. Hindi to kulang, crochet lang. Bye!